In this video, I will guide you through the process of creating face-to-face shaft groups and configuring machine rooms step by step. Let's begin with positioning and aligning the shaft groups. You can easily reposition an existing shaft by selecting the Move icon, holding down the left mouse button, and dragging the shaft to its new location. For precise alignment, you can adjust the positioning of shafts relative to one another. Choose from left, center, right, or offset to ensure optimal placement. If necessary, the spacing between shaft groups can be modified at any time. Now, you might be wondering, what about the machine room? Let me show you how to configure the machine room for shaft groups. When adding another elevator to a group, the machine rooms are automatically merged. Any duplicate or unnecessary components, such as an extra machine room door or ventilation window, are automatically removed. To configure the machine room, navigate to the Group and Shaft Configurator and access the machine room settings. We recommend calculating the machine room size only after adding all elevators to the group. However, you can manually adjust the size and position as needed. Simply modify the displayed values according to your requirements. The reference point for these adjustments is the shaft base point of shaft 0. If you need separate machine rooms for each shaft, just uncheck the corresponding option. This allows for individual machine room configurations. Next, let's take a look at the building floor level settings. You can remove or define building floors and their sizes using the Group and Shaft Configurator. Go to the Material configuration and locate the Floor Level section. In the third column, you will find the settings for defining floor dimensions on created building floors. For more in-depth information, please refer to the EL 1.1 tutorial. Thank you for watching.